Hello folks, you're on the Desert Adventures YouTube channel, sponsored by Apogee Performance Racing. Go to apogeeperformanceracing.com for lubricants, parts, and accessories for off-road motorcycles. If you're interested in improving your off-road riding skills and riding safer, especially on large dual sports and adventure bikes, apogeeperformanceracing.com is also offering dirt bike coaching by yours truly. So if you're interested in getting coached by me to get some more confidence on that big bike off-road, there's a link in the description below. Or you can even DM me on Instagram, FastEddie788. Thanks for watching my video, and we'll see you next time on the Desert Adventures YouTube channel.